Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials so you can act with precision. First, check the Bingoplus extension or app version and your browser version. Mismatches often break ID validation. Then immediately back up extension settings or export any config files so you can revert if needed. Next, reproduce the error and copy the exact invalid ID message. This gives you the format to fix. Once done, clear cache and cookies, and restart the browser to remove transient session issues. Now you investigate the ID itself. Open DevTools and watch network requests while reproducing the error so you can capture the ID field. You want to know how the extension is sending the value and whether characters, length, or encoding differ from the expected pattern. That explains many invalid ID results. Then correct the value where the extension stores it, either in the settings UI or a config file, and save. If needed, re-register the ID with the service so the server accepts the corrected format. To complete the repair, reinstall the Bingoplus extension or roll back to a known good version, then reapply the corrected ID so the extension sends a validated payload. Next, verify success in a clean browser profile or incognito window to rule out other extensions or cached data interfering. Make sure to test the full workflow that previously triggered the error. If the invalid ID persists, collect DevTools network logs and extension console output, because those logs are the single most useful thing to provide when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.